show you guys how this works. So we're using a pool noodle. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of the year where we get our porch ready for summer. We are expecting a beautiful summer, a fine summertime, and what better way to kick off the summer than cleaning your front porch. Of course, with all the pollen in Georgia, we cleaned it before, but we had to clean it again because we are bringing in new furniture and planters from Wayfair. With that being said, today's video is sponsored by Wayfair. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. You are gonna love it here. All things home decor and lifestyle. Let's get right into this video. My porch is now clean and ready to be decorated. It wasn't that dirty because we had cleaned it before. With this pollen, you have to go in twice and clean your space. So we are bringing in new planters and new furniture, all from Wayfair, and I can't wait to show you guys the quality furniture that we'll be bringing in. We have everything stocked in our garage, ready to put out on our porch, and I'm just gonna enjoy doing this. White planters, that was a very bold move, but I wanted to bring in the Verdec Mason series Selena planters from Wayfair. When I saw them, I was like, I'm hooked. They have it in different colors, but I decided to go with the white just to bring in some contrast on my porch, and I've really never had anything white on my porch before, so this was very different, very new for me. What drew my attention to these planters were the height, and I'm like, you know what, let me get some tall florals to put in this just to draw the eye up once you're looking on my house. Now I've got these florals in Hobby Lobby and I absolutely love them. These planters, they come with an insert so you don't have to put the plant all the way to the bottom. There's actually an insert mark in there where you can put the plant halfway. So I'm just using a pool noodle to give us some height so I can put some moss around this. Hopefully it works. Let's see. So I'm cutting the girls' pool noodle. Where the knife there, mommy? The Spanish moss I want.
Okay, no, the French.
Sure.
Alright, so measure, cut another piece now.
Wait. Yeah, okay, perfect. That was a very impromptu idea, so we are gonna take two on that because I want to explain it to you guys how to get the perfect look if you want to add moss to your faux plants. Let me show you guys how this works. So we're using a pool noodle, and basically I'm just using the pool noodle to bring the moss up and not have to fill the entire pan with the entire planter with moss. So we're gonna measure the circumference of the planter, cut this, put it in, make sure it's stuck, it doesn't move, and then we add our moss. All right, mommy, give me scissors.
You sure you know I'll come up somewhere they have that? That's what I was thinking, yeah. The knife cuts it better.
This is the look that you're going for. We're not going to put it down too far because we don't want to use a lot of moss, so we're just using this to elevate it. And then we're going to add the moss, the plant, and then the moss. This was a great idea if you want to add moss to your planters. The pool noodles are very cheap. I've seen some in stores for $1, so you can run to the stores, grab some, and add moss to your planters because it makes it look so much more real. So mommy's going in and she's adding the moss. If y'all watch the video where I did use this moss for Easter, I have a love and hate relationship with it. I don't know, something about it freaks me out. I think something is in it, but mommy's doing it. She's using. Remember, you have another one to do, mommy.
No, I just want to cover this.
Oh, that looks beautiful. If you not go to the back,
no,
we just left it back.
No, can't left a big old pink back.
Pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Fluff up some pan it up, make it kinda. Not put no more in that, mommy. Not put no more in there.
This is more than enough, me say.
Okay. All right, planters.
You have gloves there, so if you want it.
No, me can't touch it, man. It just something
about
it.
Gloves, girl.
No, something about it just make me. Ugh. It's beautiful though. Oof. Beautiful.
Let me go do that one there and then we come back and put some more this one. That really looks nice.
Yeah, love it.
Looks really nice.
Better?
Yeah, yeah.
And let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out beautifully. I mean, if you're not seeing it, I think it's the perfect thing to do, and it's very, very affordable. And of course, mommy and I make a great team. Beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love how this is turning out. Beautiful. Love how rich the green is looking. So nice. Beautiful. And it just looks so real, like it's actually growing like that. So nice. Oh my God, I love it. Love it. So this is how it's looking so far, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this. So let's just give you guys a rundown of everything. So this plant, this faux pampas plant, is from Hobby Lobby. It was $44.99 and beautiful. Love, love, love the length on it, the height I should say. Love the height. And then I got the moss at Hobby Lobby as well, and I use them, put them back, reuse them. And this beautiful planter is from Wayfair. I am gonna have it linked in the description box below. The quality is immaculate, very heavy, well, heavy enough that I can lift it, but the quality is perfect. And y'all can see the height, and I'll have all the details, all the links in the description box. So this is how it's looking, and I have 2 of them right at my front door. Beautiful. Looks like summer.
Yeah.
Y'all can tell me that wasn't the easiest thing that you've ever seen. I like to show ideas, give hacks that are pretty easy, but most importantly, very, very affordable. So we're just cleaning off the porch again, and then we are going in with our new patio furniture from Wayfair. I was super excited to add these gorgeous swivel rockers from Wayfair to our front porch, and let me tell you, they changed everything. They're super comfy with cushioned seats that are both UV resistant and washable, which is a must for outdoor living. The wicker finish gives that cozy, curated feel, and I love that the cushions are removable, so easy to clean or switch out for seasonal looks. They swivel 360 and even rock, so it's basically my new favorite spot to unwind. Let's see. Whether you're styling your porch or creating a cozy patio moment, this set just works. The frame is sturdy and built to last, and if you love a little DIY assembly, it's straightforward. Add a throw pillow or two and you've got an instant vibe. What you guys think? We added mats. We got these mats at Hobby Lobby in January. They are doing well. The other side is really burnt out, so we finally turn it and it looks brand new. So you know, once this side is out, then that's it. But love how this turned out, and I am loving my new chairs from Wayfair. Everything will be linked in the description. The quality of these are immaculate. Love them. And they are swivel, so you can, it's like a rocking chair and they can swivel as well. So we did give it a little bit of a angle. All right, so we decided to straighten them, and I mean, we'll sit in them and turn them, but we added this floral arrangement here. It's faux as well. The pot, it's in the, it comes with the pot. We got it at Hobby Lobby. And then this little table thing, I've had it for a while, so we just decided to add it and mimic the white from the planters right here. So I think that's perfect. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. I always try to keep my front porch very simple because I have a lot of packages that comes in, and not even that, I just love when my space is looking very clean, very simple, to the point. I love a high-end look, but it should be very simple and to the point. And that's why I'm loving these new pieces, because once you look at them, you can tell the quality, but it's very simple. As y'all can see, again, the color also matches the brick on my home, so that's why I chose this set. Didn't really want a wow vibe on my porch. The greenery is already doing that, and I think I knocked this off seamlessly. Comments below, let me know your favorite part, and as I said, I'll leave all the links for you guys. I will see you all in the next video. Until next time, take care and be safe. Oh, and happy shopping. It's now time to get your home ready for summer, because it's gonna be a fine summer. See you guys in the next video. Bye.